Now, Sofi Technologies yesterday closed trading around $13.20. This it brings a lot of panic, or this current trading price, it is bringing a lot of panic, especially those that bought this stock at almost its all-time high. But this big drop, or these sharp falls that we are witnessing on Sofi Technologies, it is offering some massive opportunities for those, or for you to load the boat on this stock. It is trading at a quite discounted price. Yes, I know that, or one of the reasons that is making this Sofi Technology stock to be impacted in terms of the share price is the interest rate hikes which are set to sort of like take place this year. You'll know that the Fed indicated that they anticipate to rise interest 3 times this year in 2022, which is something that is the one that is hurting stocks like Sofi, which is something that I definitely believe that it will fade away with time. So as I'm saying, this big drop that we are witnessing on Sofi Technologies, I think it requires those with a heart of steel to go in and load the boat on this stock, because I can tell you this is a company that is doing well, and it's a company which is just set to do great things. So this is a company that's doing so well, because looking back at 2011, you will remember that Sofi Technologies was only offering student loans. So its services that it was offering back then, it was just student loans. But right now, this company in 2022, it is offering a wide range of services. It is offering like things like your credit card. Now Sofi it's offering a credit card, guys, and this came last year, or we saw this last year. Now Sofi is offer its consumers can save, invest, borrow, trade and spend on their platform. Investors or consumers can go to the Sofi platform and buy stocks. Investors can buy cryptocurrencies on this Sofi Technologies platform, which is something that is truly amazing, and which is one of the things that makes me want to believe that it will do very well. Now, that company that so many used to know it as a company which offers student loans is now offering a wide range of services, which is something that will make it dominate this fast growing fintech industry. I mean, this is a company that, which I always say in almost all my videos, it is becoming a one-stop shop for all things relating to digital banking. So one of the things that makes me to like Sofi Technology stock is, of course, the acquisition of the payment processor company called Galilio. Now Galilio, it is a company that Sofi acquired early last year, which is something that is incredible, because it is the one that actually made them to open things, or make it possible for them to open their credit card services, or make it possible for them to offer credit card services, which is something that is truly amazing. And you can see that this payment processor Galilio, it looks like it is opening so many doors for this Sofi Technology stock. Now, one of the things, of course, that really attracts me, except services, is the way Sofi Technologies is doing in terms of revenue generation. I mean, you remember that in 2021, this stock, it is set, or it expects to generate total revenues of around $1 billion. This is something that is truly amazing, because this is a massive growth, or a massive increase looking at the total revenues they generated back in 2020. So this is something that you have to, or it has to motivate you to stay long onto this company, Sofi Technology stock, because it will do very well. And imagine Sofi Technologies being able to generate $1 billion annually before the banking charter. Imagine what a banking charter could do on this company. Now, you remember that the banking charter is something that some analysts are anticipating, or hopeful that Sofi will get that final approval of the banking charter around the Q2 of 2022, which is something that is incredible. Yes, guys, the share price, or the share trading price of Sofi Technologies right now might be not encouraging, especially to those that bought, like I said, this stock at towards its all-time high, but this is still a company which is just set to do very well. This is a company that right now I am kind of like prioritizing in terms of loading the boat, so that at least even my average purchase share price on this stock, it becomes very low. Now you'll remember that to show that Sofi Technologies, to show that this company, it is not me or us, the retail investors, who think that they will do very well. On Wall Street, most of the analysts, or almost all analysts, believe that Sofi Technologies is a buy, which is something that is truly amazing, because this means that even Wall Street sees the opportunities that lies within the Sofi Technology stock, which that I believe that it ought to motivate you to stay long onto this Sofi Technology stock. So this is one of the companies that I'm really focused in piling or accumulating as many shares as possible, because I know that this is a company which is just set to do very well. I think I read other news on Sofi to say that in terms of their branding advertisement, they just bought rights in one of the biggest stadium in America, which is something that is truly amazing. So with Sofi, it's not a matter of you asking if whether it will get to that 24 US dollar, but it is just a matter of saying how soon can it get there, because I truly believe that with the good fundamentals that surrounds this Sofi Technology stock, we can all agree that this is a stock which will do very well. And of course, one of the things that makes us to believe, or one of the things that makes me to believe that it will get to that price target very soon, is because of their membership growth. If you check the kind of membership growth that Sofi currently has and where it came from, you can all agree that it will do very well, because you know that right now Sofi Technologies has approximately 2.9 million members, which is something that is incredible. And this, of course, is from the Q3, or it was taken, or we saw this number at their Q3 earnings results. So it is quite obvious for their Q4, or for their upcoming Q4 earnings results, Sofi Technologies will officially be having over 3 million members or consumers in its platform, which is something that is truly amazing, and has to show you the growth that is happening on this Sofi Technology stock. Otherwise, guys, with all that, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that likes button, comment, and if you're new, subscribe. And whilst you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a new video. Otherwise, that's all from me. And before you could add or load the boat on this Sofi Technologies, please just go out there and also do your own due diligence, so that at least you can be comfortable when you're investing into this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.